In today's quick video, let's talk about how to use reishi. Let's dive in. The mushroom reishi is also known in traditional Chinese medicine. It is called lingzhi, and it is traditionally used both orally and topically. Now, also in Chinese medicine, it is seen as a mushroom or an herb that really helps with longevity or kind of the aging process. Topically, I see it a lot used in a kind of ointment or cream, and it's generally used for anti-aging as well as for wound care because it does have anti-inflammatory properties as well as immunomodulating properties. When taken orally, I've seen reishi be used in a capsule, in syrups, and even in teas. Generally, dosages are going to vary. Again, because it is a mushroom, it is edible, you're going to see gram dosages. Now, it depends on what the study that you're looking at and what they're using it for, but I have seen dosages anywhere from 600 milligrams a day up to about 3,200 milligrams a day in divided doses. The most popular application in the West for this mushroom is going to be some sort of cancer or anti-cancer effect. I think this is just one of the most studied areas of this mushroom because it does have very powerful immunomodulating effects. And I say immunomodulating because in some instances, we see it ramp up the immune system response, and in other instances, we see it tap down the immune system response. If you are a cancer patient, then you would definitely want to talk with your doctor first before adding in reishi or specifically some of the extracts of reishi. Again, I mentioned it is anti-inflammatory, and again, that is both topical and oral, and we see it help to decrease those inflammatory cytokines. It is also a very powerful antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress and scavenging those free radicals, which again lends itself really to a lot of its anti-cancer properties. Another way in which reishi is used is also for its neurotropic effect, meaning that it helps increase brain blood flow circulation around the brain. So I've seen it used also in a few studies looking at cognitive impairment and decreasing that cognitive impairment or slowing the decline of cognitive impairment as well as improving memory. And a few studies I've come across have shown that reishi can be helpful in symptoms of anxiety because it can stimulate the GABA receptors, which some people call it like a natural Xanax, but it does promote feelings of calm and relaxation. It's worth mentioning that I've also seen reishi being used as a hepatoprotective, meaning that it helps to protect the liver or liver cells, as well as helping to decrease blood pressure. But the studies that I've read on this are often inconclusive, and the only studies I've really seen have been in mice models. Reishi is generally well tolerated by most people. The biggest side effect may be diarrhea. Now, how do I use reishi? It's very uncommon for me to use this by itself. Generally, if I'm using this, it's in a blend with other mushrooms, generally promoting its immune system function or for promoting the neurotropic effect. And again, depends on the person, but dosages generally vary around 600 milligrams to 1200 milligrams, just depending on the formulation of the product. All right, I hope that this video was helpful. If you have experiences with reishi or have any questions, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. And if you like this video, then why don't you check out this playlist with similar videos. All right, bye.